This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to show you a bunch of different ways to add emoji to Google Docs. If this video helps, please take a moment to subscribe and like the video, and let's get started. Here's my Google Doc. I'm logged into Google Docs. I've opened it up, and you can see there's an emoji right here. And what I want to do, I want to add another emoji right here, a downward pointing arrow. So let's do it. Put the cursor where you want the emoji to appear, then go to Insert, and you should see an option that says Emoji. Select it. Now what you can do is you can scroll through all the emojis until you find it. Like maybe you think it's this one. But let's say you're looking at that and you think, maybe that's not the right one. Another thing that you can do, this is the second way to do that, is go to Insert, Emoji, and then actually use the search function. So instead of scrolling, we're just going to search for down. And you can see there's a whole bunch of different arrows here, and all right, maybe you think, all right, this is the one that I want, this particular down arrow. Okay. There's still a third way you can add an emoji. Go to Insert, and then select Special Characters. And this is really cool. You can actually draw a symbol with your mouse or trackpad for whatever you think the item should look like. So I'm going to do something like this. And wow, check it out. It found a rightward arrow with corner downward. So I'm going to add that one. And you can see it actually added 3 of them. But so here we have 3 different versions of the downward arrow, but I'm still not sure if I have the right one. And my fallback in this particular situation is I go to a website called Emojipedia, emojipedia.org, and then I just use the search function. So down arrow. And fortunately, they have a whole bunch of different things here. Select right arrow curving down, select copy, and then I go back to my Google Doc, and then I just paste it in. So edit, paste. And there it is. That's the right arrow. For more information on how to get the most out of Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Sheets, Google Slides, go to in30minutes.biz or in30minutes.com. And you can see the guide that we have for it. We also have cheat sheets for Google, as well as guides for other types of technology. My name is Ian Lamont. I'm the founder of In 30 Minutes Guides. If this video helped you out, if you could like it and subscribe, I'd be very appreciative. And for more information, check us out online. Thank you so much.